Hello, this is Mark. I'm going to show you how that we use this sheet that SSBelmont or Rick made for us. So we needed a way to run these events a little more efficiently than what I was using before. So Rick put together this sheet that I shared a link with below. So what you would do is you would take this, copy this sheet, you come up here and make a copy. And then you never use your master sheet. You always use File, make a copy, and that's the one for you to run. So this is our first series and how we started out. So basically you do have an instruction sheet here, and then you click pilots and you change your event name or whatever you want. Again, there's some instructions here. Most of the time you're going to be changing things in white. So here you put in the pilots' names in this column right here. So B in the B columns, like 2DogRC, that's me. Let's do Rick, Belmont, and TB races, why not? Okay, and then you go over here, how many lobbies do you have? Each lobby can only hold 7 people. So for this is for qualifying, and you can change the names of the lobbies here. So we'll do, let's say Laughing's hosting one and Ashley's hosting one. And we have 2 lobbies. So it's going to put 2 pilots in each lobby, and we have 3 total pilots. So we have 2 lobbies, 2 pilots per each, names of the lobby. So then you come back over here and you have to put in the pilots in each of their lobbies that you want them. And this enables you to move people around real easily and stuff like that. And then when you go back to qualifying, you'll see that Laughin and Ashley have the pilots listed. So you've got some scripts here. If you click this button, it's going to clear all the data here, same as here. And a little pop-up, and you have to agree to that. Then when you're running your lobby, so what we do is on Discord, each person will have their own channel, a voice channel in Discord. So there'll be a Laughin channel, an Ashley channel in Discord, and then we make the qualifying hidden lobby the same name, and they are case sensitive. That way it's really easy for people to know where they're supposed to be. They're just Laughin. So if Laughin's running this, when the heat 1 is done, he's going to enter their time. If it's over a minute, put the 1, a minute 45 seconds, and then a period, and the less than seconds. If it's less than a minute, put a 0, 45, whoops, 0, 45. You have to use a colon, 2 numbers, and a period. We'll pick the best time of these heats and then put it in here. You see I got a 45, and this ranks your qualifiers. And then here it tells you the top 4 will go to A main, B main, C main, D main, E main, F main. As you can see here, we're up to four groups. This sheet you can run 28 pilots with 3 bump ups. If you do more than 28 pilots, you have to change the number of bump ups, and you can add more pilots in. So once everybody's done qualifying, it's going to rank everybody on this list. Then you would go to mains, and it's going to pre-populate the pilots based on their qualifying. So I qualified first, so here. So it can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And then the way we have it set up is copied from, I believe, RC Tech's format. So the F main, this is how many people you see, and then how many heats it's going to run. So F main, there's 3 heats, and then they get a points based on how they finish. 1st through 7th, 10 through 0. You add up all the points, and then that will give you whoever has the most points. Then what you do is you click the check mark box here for the pilots that you want to bump up, and then you click bump up. Click the bump up that's under, and it'll automatically move those to here. You can manually move them, and then it will rank the pilots over here based on the results. You have to make sure that you leave these checked so that it's part of the formula here. So if you bump 3 people up, it's not going to count those over here. So that's how that works. And that's about it. And there's test data. I would recommend playing with it. Again, make a copy of this one and then play with the copy. If you got any questions, you can hit me up at Facebook. or on the Velocidrone page, Mark Growy, or Mark2DogRC Growy on Facebook. Hope this helps you run a good event. I'll have some tips and tricks on how to run good events later, but this is just how the sheet works.